Here's a way to do math. Now, I used a random number generator from 1 to 500. And the four numbers are 155, 186, 330, and 119. Now, a way to do math is you try to make this into 150 for both sides, leaving a 5 and leaving a 36. Then you add these two right here, which equal 11. 11 for 5 plus 6 equals 11. 3 plus nothing equals 3, but then plus 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11 plus the extra 30 equal 41. And then you add these two together. 50 plus 50 equal 100. And then you bring these over to here, which equals 100. It's needlessly complicated, but it works. Then you get 300, and then you bring the 31 over. Not 31, 41 over, and then you get the answer. Now, I don't know how the hell am I going to do this next part, because it's a bigger number than I was expecting. Because normally I break it up into smaller pieces like that. That's more easily digestible. But how the fuck am I going to do this part? I guess I break it off into 100, which means I remove the 19 from here, remove the 30 from here, and then I bring that into 3 sets of 100. That's 1,000. 3 sets of 100. Why do I keep accidentally writing 1,000? 3 sets of 100, which all together equal 400. Then you add these two together, which equals 49, which then you plug in right to here, which then equals at 449. And then you do the same thing. 149, 41, and that should bring it down 300 for both sides, which both equal 600. And now you gotta deal with these two, which I can break off here. Okay, so this one's not difficult. That 9 sucks. So 1, 4, 9, 4, 1. This goes to 10. This goes to 8. This gets brung over to here. Here. These two are 18. These two are 18, and then that gets brung over, which means I got 118. That ain't fucking right. Oh wait. That's not right. I might have overcomplicated it for like no result. So, yeah, normal 2-on-2, not multiple, definitely requires this right here. That does not feel right at all. Also, my cat just charged at the fucking window for some reason. Why does that feel... Hold on. Huh? Did I just break my brain fry? Hold on, 149, 941. I just made my brain fry. Okay, I'm just fucking stupid. Yeah, 149, 41, that is 8. That is 10. 8 plus 10 is fucking 90. Or 8 times 10 is just 90, and I bring this to... I'm just fucking stupid. I tried to overcomplicate it slightly, but... Fucking... Hell. It did not work. So then I break that off into two separate parts, 90 and 100. Then I combine these two together to get 700, and I plug this in, which then equals 790. There. A needlessly complicated way to do math. And I am going to bring a calculator out just to see if I'm correct. Give me a minute. So the numbers were 155 plus 186 plus 330 plus 119. And holy shit. That was correct. I just can't draw nines. And to enlarge it, that's 790. So there, an unnecessarily complicated way to do math. If you enjoyed, subscribe.